Okay, well, I was inspired by one of the AI prompt result that I made like this. The interesting thing about this reference is about the layout of the room and the cabinets. Okay, I maximize the ground floor area for the living room, dining, and kitchen, laundry room and bathroom, and also the toilet. In the dining area and the wall adjacent to the dining area, I choose a color that is quite contrasting with the dominant color of this interior because it is an accent for the room, so that is not monotonous. In the toilet and bathroom area, I use soft color in the form of cream and light gray with marble application like this, as well as lighting on the bathroom equipment shelves near the shower. I choose a hanging cabinet in the kitchen area with a glossy black color as an accent and elegant impression in the kitchen. The rest is dominated by bright wood motifs like this. On the access stairs to the attic, I add a little ornament in the form of a mirror to give the impression of spaciousness to the access stairs, as well as a glossy black railing to contrast with the light wood color and give a flexible impression in terms of design. In the attic, there is a capacity of 2 beds, each of which has a sharing cabinet in the middle. This is an interesting and effective solution for a loft bed cabinet with a capacity of 2 separated beds like this, so that it can minimize the need for excess cabinet space. This bed area has 2 void space in the middle between the bed and on the edge near the ground floor kitchen cabinet. This provides effective air circulation throughout the space with sufficient voids. In addition to the voids function as vertical access between space. What do you think about this design idea that I made this time? Please write in the comment column. And don't forget to like and subscribe and look forward to our video in the next content. Thank you.